This lovely ranch-style home sits on almost 16 acres. The home has 1,680 square feet, has an open concept. There are 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. It has a lovely gourmet kitchen. Also, the master suite is quite special. It has a very nice master bath with a tiled walk-in shower along with 2 sinks. This property is a mixture of woods and pasture. There are 2 storage sheds. For more information, please give me a call at 417-293-7277 or visit my website kim.westplainsuc.com or visit our United Country website at coveringtheozarks.com.